Looking for serious airflow power? Whether it's for your garage, DIY projects, or heavy-duty cleaning, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 turbo air blower fans, fast, portable, and built to blast through any task. From budget-friendly picks to high-performance beasts, we've got something for everyone. So let's fire them up and dive straight into the list. Product number 1. Xiaomi Turbofan 390000 RPM air blower. We're reviewing the Xiaomi Violent Turbofan air blower, and I'm super excited to dive into its features. First off, this portable, wireless dust cleaner is perfect for keeping your home and gadgets clean. With 390,000 RPM speed, it's incredibly powerful, blowing away dust in seconds. It's great for cleaning your keyboard, camera lenses, or even the corners of your home. It's lightweight, charges via Type-C, and with the brushless jet blower, it's even more efficient and durable. The plastic body makes it quite sturdy. The design is sleek and compact, although it's not foldable, it's easy to carry around and perfect for quick cleanups. If you're looking for a powerful, portable, and effective dust cleaning solution, the Xiaomi Violent Turbofan is definitely worth considering. Clean smart, clean easy. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Product number 2. 180000 RPM Mini Turbo Jet Fan Air Duster. I'm talking about a product with amazing specifications, the 180000 RPM Mini Turbo Jet Fan Electric Air Duster. This little device is truly impressive. It goes up to 180,000 RPM, and with 4 gear settings, you can switch from a light breeze to a turbo blast. Its 12-blade fan ensures powerful airflow for cleaning any surface effectively. What's even better is the 5000 mAh battery, which lasts about an hour on low speed, and it takes just 2.5 hours to fully charge. So, after a quick charge, you can easily clean your car, laptop, or even hard-to-reach corners. With just 315 g of weight, it's very lightweight and portable. Additionally, it has a mechanical timer control, allowing you to manage the cleaning time with ease. This is truly a powerful, practical, and versatile air blower that's perfect for all kinds of cleaning tasks. If you're looking for a strong, portable, and efficient air blower, this is definitely a great option. Product number 3. 2025 X614000 RPM air blower. I've got an exciting product to talk about, the 2025 new X614000 RPM powerful air blower vacuum dust cleaner. This one is a beast when it comes to cleaning, offering 140,000 RPM of pure power. The brushless motor ensures a long lifespan and smooth operation, making it perfect for both home DIY projects and everyday cleaning tasks. What makes it stand out? Well, it delivers strong winds at 53 meters per second, easily tackling dust and debris from hard-to-reach places. Whether you're cleaning electronics, your car, or even small corners around the house, this blower has got your back. It also features Type-C charging, making it super convenient to charge quickly and get back to cleaning in no time. The turbojet blower technology ensures you get maximum airflow without any compromise. Of course, the X6 air blower is a powerful, efficient, and portable tool that can make your cleaning tasks quicker and easier. If you're looking for a high-performance blower, this one is definitely worth a try. Product number 4. Xiaomi Violent Fan 350000 RPM air blower. The Xiaomi Violent Fan 350000 RPM air blower, the name alone says how powerful it is. If you need strength and precision in your cleaning tools, this one's an absolute game changer. This compact beast delivers up to 350,000 RPM and 58 meters per second of high-speed wind. Whether you're drying your car, cleaning your gadgets, or blasting dust out of tight spots, this blower handles it all effortlessly. It features a brushless turbojet motor for long-lasting performance, and USB Type-C charging makes it super convenient. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to use. The mechanical timer control adds flexibility, and the high-quality plastic body makes it durable too. In conclusion, if you want a powerful, reliable, and portable air blower, the Xiaomi Violent Fan is definitely worth checking out. With strong performance and smart features, it's made for fast, efficient cleaning. Product number 5. 360000 RPM Turbo Jet Fan Air Blower. At number 5, we've got a blower that'll absolutely blow your mind, the 360000 RPM Turbojet Fan Air Blower. Just hearing that speed is enough to turn heads. With its insane 360,000 RPM power, this high-speed dust cleaner is ideal for indoor cleaning, outdoor use, or even tackling quick DIY projects. It runs on a brushless motor with medium pressure, delivering strong, focused airflow that gets the job done fast. The compact, portable design makes it easy to carry around, and thanks to Type-C charging, recharging is quick and hassle-free. One of its best features? Despite all that raw power, it runs surprisingly quiet, so long cleaning sessions won't feel annoying or loud. To wrap it up, if you're after a high-performance, wireless, and compact air blower, the Isfrede 360000 RPM Turbojet Fan is definitely worth considering for your everyday cleaning needs. Product number 6. X6 Violent Fan 200000 RPM Air Blower. Let's get introduced to a powerful air blower, the X6 Violent Fan. With an insane speed of 200,000 RPM and wind force of 53 meters per second, it's perfect for removing dust, dirt, or debris from tight and tough spots. Whether it's electronics, room corners, or DIY projects, this tool handles it like a pro. It features a brushless turbojet motor that ensures stable performance over time. With Type-C charging, it's easy to recharge. Though it runs on AC power, the design is lightweight and user-friendly, ideal for home, garage, or small DIY tasks. Despite all that power, it's surprisingly comfortable to use. Cleaning becomes quick and hassle-free. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-speed, reliable, and modern air blower, the Isfrede X6 Violent Fan could be your next favorite cleaning gadget. Product number 7. Turbofan X3 Original Rechargeable Blower. Let's get introduced to a powerful yet pocket-sized blower, the Turbofan X3 Original. With a speed of 130,000 RPM and maximum wind flow of 52 meters per second, this little device makes cleaning faster and easier than ever. Sounds unbelievable, right? This is a brushless motor air blower with 3 speed gears, allowing you to adjust the power based on your need. It's USB rechargeable, so whether you're at home or on the go, you can use it anytime. Weighing just 490 grams, it's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and super portable. Use it to clean electronics, keyboards, car corners, or any dusty area. The performance won't disappoint you. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a compact, portable, yet powerful blower, the Isfrede X3 Original could be a perfect solution. What would you use this blower for? Let us know in the comments below. Product number 8. 210000 RPM Car Wash Air Gun. This one's made especially for car lovers. Meet the Isfrede 210000 RPM Brushless Car Wash Air Gun. With a crazy speed of 210,000 RPM and 1300 G of thrust, this isn't your average air blower. It's perfect for quickly drying your car after a wash with power and precision. It features a brushless motor that ensures long-lasting, stable performance. The best part? It's compatible with Makita, Milwaukee, and DeWalt batteries, so you can use it with tools you already own. The wireless design makes it super convenient to carry and use anywhere, whether it's your garage, driveway, or even on the go. And it's not just for cars, great for bikes and heavy-duty cleaning too. With CE and ROHS certifications, you know it's safe and reliable. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and car-focused air blower, the Isfrede 210000 RPM car dryer is a must-have addition to your gear. Product number 9. Electric Air Blower 160000 RPM. Let's check out a compact yet powerful tool that's built for speed, the electric air blower with 160,000 RPM Turbojet Fan. Whether you're blowing off dust, drying your car, or clearing snow, this mini beast handles it all with high-pressure airflow and serious speed. It runs on a brushless motor for better durability and smooth operation, and with up to 160,000 RPM, it packs a punch despite its lightweight design. Rated at 200 W, this blower is energy efficient yet strong enough for both home and car cleaning needs. The 12V DC power makes it ideal for portable use, and being CE certified, it's safe too. From cleaning your keyboard to drying your bike after a ride, this little tool is a real multitasker. It's also super easy to hold and operate. In short, if you want a handheld, high-speed, and versatile air blower, the LASM electric air blower deserves a spot in your toolkit. Product number 10. 300000 RPM Pocket Dust Blower. Finally on our list is a compact beast, the 300000 RPM Pocket Dust Blower. Don't let the size fool you, this little device packs serious power and speed, making it perfect for precision cleaning. It features a brushless motor for stable, efficient performance and spins up to an incredible 300,000 RPM. With a wind speed of 58 meters per second, it blasts away dust and dirt from keyboards, cameras, and tight corners with ease. The 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery gives you long usage time and convenient portability, so you can use it anywhere without worrying about cords. Despite its power, it's super lightweight and easy to use, making it ideal for on-the-go cleaning or delicate electronics. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a portable, high-speed, and user-friendly air blower, this mini turbojet fan might just be the perfect cleaning tool to add to your setup. If you're interested in this product, I've dropped the link in the description below. Check it out.
Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.